Okay, welcome back to Snowmageddon 2 here. I'm going to go measure with a tape measure here and see how much snow we got. I'm going to show you what we got right now. Yeah, so Helen Centra was, I got it out yesterday, but this one I haven't touched, so we're going to go see how much snow is on the WRX today. I'm going to say a foot. But we'll see here. Let's go try it out here. Okay, I was wrong. It's more like 9.5 or 10 if it hasn't blown off. But yeah, we're covered out here. I got most of this all out here. There's just nowhere to put the snow at this point. That's the problem. What do we got on here? It's the same amount. It's about 10 inches. But yeah, all my neighbors are trying to clear out and everything. However, the roads are clear, surprisingly. They did a good job on this. You can see people just mounding this stuff up everywhere. I think it's going to be an issue with the stuff they cleared off the road, really. So I'm going to get to it, because if I don't get rid of this snow right now, hey look, a car. If I don't get to the snow right now, the problem is it's going to sit here for like a week, because now the temperatures are like 10 degrees and it's supposed to get even worse. So the next week it's supposed to be super damn cold. So this is the update right now, is the snow is just up to like the top of like everything. Like literally it's up to the top of the wheel arches and on the rust. I'm gonna have to start doing something here, because I can't even get this car out. Not that I would, but I gotta do something about this. You can't even tell it doesn't even say Super on the back anymore. So I'm gonna get going on this. It's still snowing somewhat, which is interesting. So I'm gonna get going on that. And I'll check back if there's anything cool going on, but that's it right now. Alright, so I got done shoveling more snow. It was snowing a little bit more. Let me take you around and show you what it looks like right now. So yeah, we got big mounds of snow here. This one's also pretty big. Cars are still covered. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with all the snow over here for my neighbor's driveway and get that all cleared off. Although I don't really know if they're even going to be in, I don't know if they're in town or where they're at right now. So that is the current situation. At least the cars are out, and we're able to use those at this point. We can get them out through one centralized point. And the BRZ is all tucked away still. And we got a mound of snow over here too. So yes, we got tons and tons of snow currently. Yeah. Alright, that's the update for today. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Talk to you guys later. See ya.